Mabuhay guys, and welcome back to the AZ Garden Triangle. Today we are sharing with you our top 6 biggest tomatoes. And after that, join us as we do our first mukbang. Number 6 is a Kellogg's breakfast. This Kellogg's breakfast weighs 0.895 pounds. Number 5 on the list is another Kellogg's breakfast. This one weighs 0.902 pounds. Number 4 on the list is a Dr. White Cheese Yellow. This Dr. White Cheese weighs 0.963 pounds. Number 3 on the list is another Kellogg's breakfast. This Kellogg's breakfast weighs 1.003 pounds. It's a little over a pound, and that's just our third spot. Number 2 on the list is another Dr. White Cheese Yellow. This Dr. White Cheese weighs 1.012 pounds. And in our number 1 spot is another Kellogg's breakfast. Can you guess how much it weighs? This is how big it is. Have you grown Dr. White Cheese and Kellogg's breakfast before in your garden? How big were you able to grow them? Let us know in the comment section down below. Let's see how much this one weighs. Oops, we forgot to turn the scale on. Can you guess how much it weighs? Let us know your guesses in the comment section down below. And this Kellogg's breakfast weighs 1.120 pounds. This is our biggest tomato of the year. Award goes to Kellogg's breakfast. What's the biggest tomato you've ever grown? Let us know in the comment section down below. Let's take a look at how Dr. White Cheese and Kellogg's breakfast look on the inside. They're very similar. We're not sure on which one to choose to grow next year. What do you think? Should we grow them both again next year? Let us know in the comment section down below. Now let's do some mukbang the Ilokano way. Mukbang is a Korean word that means eating show. Let's take a look at the food that we will consume in our first mukbang. Before we continue to take a look at the food we're going to consume, let's take some photo for our Instagram. Let's continue sharing with you the food that we're going to put in our mukbang. All of the vegetables were grown and harvested from the AZ garden. This fish is galunggong. Here is the food that we've prepared for our first mukbang. We were inspired by Team AgustinTv, so if you'd like to see more healthy mukbangs, make sure to visit his channel. He also has a Facebook page. He was actually featured on GMA7 Pinoy TV for his healthy mukbang. Salamat kanayon for inspiring us! Do you enjoy watching mukbang, or have you made any mukbang of your own? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you've started mukbang, what drove you to start doing mukbang? How do you feel about watching mukbang shows? Do you like Ilocano mukbang like we have today? While eating, let's go back on the question I asked earlier of what slicing tomato we grow next year, Dr. White Cheese or Kellogg's Breakfast. We're reconsidering growing the Dr. White Cheese next year because it has a tendency to crack. This is our first year growing this slicing tomato. This tomato has great flavor and it's more orange than yellow. It has low acidity and it's very meaty. It goes perfectly with BLTs. They're especially attractive when sliced as shown earlier. It's juicy and it only has a few seeds. Kellogg's Breakfast has equally large, bright orange fruit. They're also meaty with few seeds. They make a wonderful tomato sandwich as well. Or you can just eat it off the vine like an apple. So what do you think? Should we grow just one of them, or still just grow both? I hope you enjoyed our mukbang! Salamat po sa supporta!